Hello dear students, welcome back to our online classes. In previous class, we discussed about cost, types of costs, cost classification on the basis of short run and long run. Today, we will see how the short run costs are calculated. The question will be asked in this form, which carries 6 marks. A firm's SMC schedule is shown in the following table. Rupees 100. TFC is already given. We need to find out TC, TVC, AVC and SSC schedule of the firm. The table is given in this form where quantity and SMC is already given. So we need to find out all these required costs. So first step is write all the formulas. TC formula is TFC plus TVC. AC TC divided by Q. Q stands for output. TVC TC minus TFC. AFC is nothing but TFC divided by Q. AVC TVC divided by Q. And lastly marginal cost, which is already given in the question, but we need to know what is the formula for TCN minus TCN minus 1. So with these formulas, we need to find out all these costs. The first step here is to note down all the quantities, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in question itself the total fixed cost is given. So the total fixed cost we have to note down. Here the total fixed cost, even though the output is 0, the total fixed cost is 100, and total fixed cost, even the output is increasing, the total fixed cost remains same. The point to be noted here, whatever may be the quantities produced, but the total fixed cost remains same. So we should note down this total fixed cost and SMC, which is already given in the question. So I have written all the SMC values. Now to find out total cost, we need the formula for total cost is total fixed cost and total variable cost. So we don't know what is total variable cost. So the formula for this is cumulative SMC. It means summation of all your SMC values. So I will write this 500 as it is here, first unit, and henceforth I go on adding all the SMC, that is short run marginal cost. 500 plus 300, which is 800. 800 plus 200, it is 1000. 1000 plus 300, it is 1300. 1300. Now 1300 plus 500, it's 1800. 1800. And lastly, 1800 plus 800, it's 2600. I hope you understood how we got the TVC. It is summation of all the SMC costs, short run marginal cost. Now once we get TVC, now it becomes very easy for us to calculate total cost. What is the formula for total cost? Total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Now the first quantity 0, the total cost remains same, 100. Now the second, that is for first quantity, when the producer is producing first quantity, now the total cost will be, that is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. 500 plus 100, it is 600. Then second unit, when the producer is producing, total fixed cost is 100 and total variable cost is 800. So 800 plus 100 is 900. Similarly, 1000 plus 100, 1100. Then 1300 plus 100, 1400. 1800 plus 100, 1900. Then lastly 2600 plus 100, 2700. I hope you understood. We are just applying the formula here. TFC plus TVC is your total cost. Next cost we need to calculate is AVC, average variable cost, which goes on changing according to the change in output. Now what is the formula for AVC? TVC divided by Q. Q is nothing but output. Now here already we have calculated TVC. So we need to divide this TVC value with the output. So when we divide that, you will get all the AVC curves. That is 500 divided by 1, 500. 800 divided by 2, it is 400. Next, 1100 divided by 3, it is 333.33. Similarly, it is 4th unit, 5th unit, 6th unit. So here we will find, we will get all the TVC values. We are applying the formula. Then the last cost we need to calculate is SAC. As I told, S stands for short run average cost. Now formula for short run average cost is, or AC is, TC divided by Q. So here TC is already calculated. So we need to divide it again by the output. Now 600 divided by 1 is 600. 900 divided by 2 is 450. 1100 divided by 3 is 366.66. Now 1400 divided by 4 is 350. 1900 divided by 5 is 380. And lastly, 2700 divided by 6 is 450. So in this way we have calculated total variable cost, total cost, average variable cost and average cost. So which is very important to understand that as the output goes on changing, the total cost goes on changing. Similarly, average variable cost and average cost, total variable cost. Okay, but they have asked one very tricky or one challenging question by giving the SMC cost. So how to calculate it? I hope you understood it. The easy method is, we need to write down all the total fixed cost values, that is fixed cost remains fixed. Then SMC we need to cumulative, or we have to do the summation of all the SMC cost. Once you get TVC, then we can calculate total cost, average variable cost and average cost. So students, practice this sum again and again, because it's a very important question and which carries 6 marks. Thank you.